Hi guys, I'm John Patrick Diazban and today I'm going to teach you on how to solve work problems in calculus. Number 1 question. How much work is required to lift a 5 kilogram book 2 meter high above the ground? So, the question is on how much work is needed or required to lift the book 2 meter high above the ground. So, number 1, work is equals to force times distance, and then force is equals to mass times gravity. So first, we need to substitute the force into the mass and gravity. So work is equals to mass gravity times distance. So we need to do is to just to multiply these three. Work equals to the mass is 5 kilogram, and then our gravity is equals to 9.8 meter per second squared. Then yung distance natin ay 2 meter. Tapos pagta-times muna natin tong dalawa guys, yung 5 kilogram then yung 2 meter. So 10 na yan times mo pa dito sa 9.8 is equals the work is equals to 98 joules. So ganun lang kadali mag-solve guys. So may follow-up question pa. The follow-up question is how much work is required to lift a 30 LB box 4 feet off the ground. So ganun din yung gagawin natin guys. Work is equals to force distance. So yung given natin sa first is 30 lbs, then yung given natin dun sa distance is 4 feet. So pagta-times lang natin yung dalawa, makukuha na natin yung sagot guys. So 120 feet lbs. So ayun na yung sagot guys. Ganun lang kadali. So let's move on na. Question number 2. Find the work done in pushing a car a distance of 15 with a constant force of 500 Newton. So ganun din yung hinahanap dito sa number 2 question guys. So dun sa number 2, work is equals to force times distance pa rin guys. So sa substitute mo lang yung force. Yung force natin is 500 Newton. Times lang natin siya sa 15 meter, which is yung distance natin. So pag nag-times yung dalawa guys, makukuha natin dyan ay 7,500 joules. So yun na yung sagot guys, ganun lang kadali. So yung question 3 natin guys is a variable force in newtons acting on a object is represented by the function fx is equals to x squared minus 4x plus 7, where x is the distance in meters from the origin. How much work is required to move the object from x is equals to 1 to x is equals to 4? So number 3, work ulit yung hinahanap guys. So work, yung formula is work is equals to p over a fx dx. So equals natin, so yung yung a natin is equals yung x is equals to 1. Tapos yung b natin is x is equals to 4. So, ito yung a natin guys. Then, ito yung b. So, substitute lang natin dito sa dalawa. So, 4, 1. Tapos, etong fx natin guys is yung nasa question kanina, which is yung x squared minus 4x plus 7. So, isa-substitute rin natin to dito. So, parenthesis, x squared minus 4x plus 7 dx. So, pagkatapos nyan guys, kukunin lang natin yung antiderivative nila, which is equals to yung x squared is magiging x cubed over 3. Tapos yung 4x, may automatic siyang 1 dyan, is equals to magiging 4x squared over 2. Tapos yung 7 natin guys is magiging 7x. So, 4 over 1. So, yun na nga guys. Parang, yun dito, i-substitute lang natin both. So, w is equals to. So, una natin substitute dito sa x is yung 4. So, yung x natin is magiging 4 cube over 3 minus 4 squared over 2 plus 7 times 2. So, minus, ito naman nun yung isa-substitute natin sa x, which is yung 1 over 3 minus 2, 1, 2, which is na-divide na, kaya naging 2 na guys. Na-divide na dun. Plus 7, 1. So, pagkatapos nyan guys is, so, ayun na nga na guys, pagka-times na natin sila. So, w is equals to 4 cube is equals to 64 over 3 minus 4 times 2 is 4 times 4 is equals to 16. Ito na lang to guys, which is yung magdi-divide. Pagdi-divide na natin silang dalawa, kaya magiging 2 na lang to. Tapos plus 7 times 4. 4 yun guys. 7 times 4 is equals to 28. So, dito naman sa kabila, 1 times 3, 1 cube is equals to 1 pa rin siya over 3. Minus 2, kasi 1 times 1 is equals 1 pa rin. So, plus 7 pa din siya guys. And then, pagko-combine na natin yung mga pwedeng pag-combine. Yan, pagkatapos natin itong sinimplify lahat. So, 64, 3 minus 16 times 2, 32 plus 28 minus 1/3 plus 7 minus 7, 2 pala to. So, wag yung mga pwedeng pagsamahin, which is ito and then itong 1/3. So, is equals to 63 over 3 minus 4 minus 5. So, kaya naging 63 guys, pinag-minus lang yung 64 minus 1 is equals to 63, tapos magre-remain lang yun sa baba niya. And then ito, pag pinag-minus ng dalawa is negative 4, then pag ito naman is negative 5. So, 63 divided by 3 is equals to 21. Tapos pag pinag-plus natin to, pag pinagsama is equals to negative 9. So, 21 minus 9 is equals to 12 joules. So, ito na yung nakuha nating answer, guys. So, mag-move na tayo ngayon sa question number 4, which is, yung question is, a force of 50 lbs or pounds is required to hold a spring stretched 5 inches beyond its natural length. How much work is required to stretch it from its natural length to 10 inches beyond its natural length in feet per pounds? So, imagine, dito sa number 4 question is, meron tayong spring. So, yung spring natin, para may stretch yan, is kailangan niya ng force. Force para mag-push siya papunta doon. So, pag yung force na yan, syempre spring yan. Pag force na siya pa forward, meron din siyang force pa return. So, yung formula dyan is force is equals to kx. So, yung k natin is constant. So, kailangan muna natin hanapin yung k, which is to k is equals to force over x. So, k, meron na tayong formula. So, k is equals to yung force natin is 50 pounds. Tapos, yung ating x is 5 inches. So, yung sagot ay 10 pounds per inches. So, meron na tayong k. Ito siya. So, yung nahanap na natin yung k, which is equals din siya sa force na 10x. And then, pag kompleto na siya, guys, yung formula lang kanina, which is W is equals to BAFX dx. So, yung A natin is equals to 0. Yung X na una, yan yung A. Tapos, yung isang X is 10, which is yung i-stretch siya go beyond natural length. So, pag sinolve na natin siya, W is equals to 10, 0. So, substitute lang natin siya, guys, kaya kaya na kanina. Is equals to, ganyan na siya. So, pag nakuha ng ganyan, guys, ano lang natin kagaya kanina, 10x squared to 10. So, pag ganyan na siya, pag di-divide mo is magiging na lang siyang 5x squared over 10, 0. Tapos, pag tinimes mo na doon siya, pag sinubstitute mo siya is 5 times 10 squared minus 5, 0, 5 times 100. Paano naging times 100? Is 10 times 10 is equals to 100, guys. 10 squared is equals to 100. So, pag nakuha mo na siyang ganyan, is ko-convert muna natin siya sa feet per pounds kasi yun yung hinahanap natin. Per inches pa kasi tayo, guys. So, pag makukuha mo yan, 500 pounds per inch. So, kailangan natin siyang i-convert into feet. 500 pounds per inches over 1 times 1 foot is equals to 12 inch. So, cancel na to, guys. So, 500 times 12 is equals to 500 over 12 feet pounds. So, yan na yung sagot natin, guys. Pwede pa natin tong lowest term. So 500 over 12 is equals to, di-divide lang natin siyang 120.4 times 3.4. So cancel na to. So matitira na lang itong dalawa, which is yung 125 over 3 feet per pounds. Ito na yung final na answer natin. Pwede rin namang ito yung maging final answer natin, guys. Kung gusto nyo lang i-lowest term, ito yung lalabas. Pero kahit saan naman yan pwede. Tama naman yan. So yung last problem natin is the number 5 is a force of 60 Newton is required to hold a spring that has been stretched from its natural length of 12 cm to 17 cm. How much work is done in stretching the spring from 15 cm to 20 cm? So, yung inaanap ulit dito is yung work, guys. So, bago natin kunin muna yung work is equals yung force muna, which is nawawala. So, imagine may spring tayo ulit. Tapos, ang haba nito is 12 cm. Yan, guys. So, dito naman is ito yung haba ng X. Ito yung pagitan ng A tsaka B. Then, ito is 17 cm to. So, yung pagitan nila is 5. So, yun yung X natin, 5 cm. 5 cm. So, kunin na natin yung ano natin, guys. Yung K. K is equals to force times X. So, K is equals to yung force natin is 60 Newton based dun sa given divided by 0.005 meter, which is yung X. Centimeter, i-convert natin siya sa meter, guys, which is magiging 0.005 siya. So, pag times, minultiply natin siya, magiging 1,200 Newton per meter. So, nakuha na natin yung ating value na 1,200 Newton per meter. So, ito yung X natin. So, sisimulan na natin parang kanina. So, AB pa din to. Fx dx is equals to, so yung distance lang sa question, yung dun sabihin natin is yung distance between 12 cm to 20 centimeters. So yung distance is pag minag-minus natin 8 cm. So i-convert natin siya sa meter, which is magiging 0.08 meter. So ito yung dito natin sa taas. Tapos yung isa naman, guys, 12 meter minus natin siya sa 15 centimeter pala to, equals to 3 centimeter. Tapos convert rin natin ulit siya sa meter, which is maging 0.03 meter. Ito naman sa baba natin. So yung Fx natin is yung 1,200 x dx. So pag nakuha na natin ganyan, i-convert ulit natin siya sa ganyan, magiging siyang x squared, guys. Tapos right lang to. Tapos pag nakuha nyo ng ganyan, isa-substitute lang itong dalawa dito sa x. So bago yun, i-divide muna natin to. So magiging na lang siyang 600 squared over 0.08 to 0.03. So, pag ganyan na siya guys is the value is equals to 600. Tapos, substitute na natin siya. Ito na pala 0.08 squared minus 600. Substitute naman natin to 0.03 squared. Pag, pag, pag ito guys, pag pinagsama mo na yan, magiging 3.84. Tapos pag ito na, pag pinag-times mo na yan, 0.54. So, pag ma-minus lang natin sila guys, yung sagot is 3.3 joules. So, ayun na yung final answer natin, which is ito yung force na required para may stretch. Ayun lang guys, thank you. Sana may nalaman kayo sa akin.